All right. Okay, here's another one. Full of bonquishes. This is gonna be a fest. You know what I mean? If you think you had enough, here's some more. I'm gonna ruin your day with this one. Hey, please hit subscribe on these videos. On my channel, and like these videos. And you know, let's get straight to the point. Let's do it.
Are you ready?
2024. Officers responded to reports of a vehicle off the roadway, where the driver claimed the car had run out of gas.
Now your car done ran out of gas. Y'all riding broke. That is crazy.
Hey man, what's going on? So, I don't even have a radio ID number.
No, you're
I'm the new hire, so. She's way out here saying she ran out of gas, but look how far we're from the road.
You ran out of gas, but you're off the roadway?
Yeah, I don't know if it was linked to, I don't know what's that over there.
Stop.
So you took it off the roadway? Way back there?
What?
You said you drove it off the roadway?
Yeah, because I didn't want to get hit by a car.
You could have just pulled over to the side of the road.
For you guys.
Oh, I just wanted to feel safe.
Understandable.
Accidentally crash into me.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I didn't want anyone to accidentally crash into me or something.
Okay. Alright, no big deal. Do you have your license, registration, insurance? And then I'll start the record.
Yo, if she says she has it, or if she has it for real, yo, this is gonna be a shock.
For you?
You'll start what?
A record.
What does that mean?
A tow truck to get you out of here. You're not gonna be able to drive out of here.
What is a record? Does that mean is that a penalty or something?
No, the tow truck
Yeah.
is a record. The tow truck has to pull you up.
Oh, I thought you were saying something was going on my record or something. I thought you said something on my record.
Girl, just give what he asked for.
No, not record. Record. Where are you coming from?
Yeah, whenever they say
Are you going to Miami-Dade College?
What? Is Miami-Dade College this year?
Yeah.
you can tell by her eyes that she's not liking this moment and that it's gonna get worse. The way she's looking at him.
Safri. I'm gonna screw you.
I think you can read.
I mean, I don't want to butcher your name.
Why would you? You know how to read. Sound it out.
Serafina? Serafina? Serafina?
Wow, congratulations. You know how to read.
Yeah, I did go to school.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
Alright. Where you said you're coming from now?
See how they just rude and disrespectful to men?
Oh, grasshopper. Fuck.
Girl, you got roaches at your house.
You know how you can avoid that? You can step out and that way they don't jump on you. There's one right there. There's one car. You want to step out?
They're gonna start crawling on me.
Yeah,
Where'd you say you were coming from now?
I was coming from somewhere that I don't want to disclose. I don't feel comfortable disclosing that.
What do you mean?
So what are we doing? What's the process here?
Alright, what's your phone number?
Look at that.
Alright.
Disregards.
The vehicle's registered to you?
Yeah.
That's entitlement. Like, forget your job. Forget what you need to know. It's about what I want to do. Let's do this because I want to go. Y'all gonna give me some gas money or what?
Oh, anybody come get you?
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone?
No.
There's no phone in the car, or you don't have a charger?
I don't have a phone.
Okay, alright.
Well! Did this wide-eyes bushier-than-thou acting-ass broad just say that she didn't have a phone? Is that what I'm hearing? Yeah? Well, bitch, it looks like you'll need to be keeping all those hundreds of citations coming at your ass in just a bit, and start writing on the back of them so when you need to text another one of your bushy-ass friends, you can attach it to a bird and send that son of a bitch flying to its destination. And we all know that you're not worried on where in the hell would you be able to find a bird, because all you have to do, is simply dig in that full-blown nest that you're wearing on top of your face. I'm sure there's plenty there. Anyhow, even 5th graders have phones. Get a cheap-ass Android / an Obama track phone or something, Missy Pooh. Piss off, yeah!
It would be on the day that we're shooting, right? So.
Well, the trooper's coming, so I don't know where he's coming from, but he's on his way. I just have to hold on to your information until he gets here. You have any questions for me?
Just ignores him.
Hey, don't roll up the window.
There are bugs coming in here.
I told you can avoid the bugs by stepping out here. If you want to...
She is very rude. Now, I'll be goddamn if I read these comments and y'all are sympathizing for her ass if something happens to her in this video.
Sit in there and bask in the bugs, then that's on you. Huh?
I can't see without light in the nighttime. It's too dark. So that's why I use a flashlight.
Why are you pointing the flashlight in here?
Because you and I are hanging out right now.
Yeah, he getting rude like you.
I'm sorry, what?
The bugs are coming in here.
Why is she putting on her seatbelt?
Wow.
Roll on the window for me. Why are you putting on your seatbelt?
What?
So why are you putting on your seatbelt?
Why is it a problem that I'm putting on my seatbelt?
Because your car is enabled to drive.
Okay.
Okay, and you're not free to go, so go ahead and step out of the car for me. Go ahead and step.
Let me make things worse.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Come down. Come down here. Don't do that. Because you need to hang out with us out of the car. Step out of the car or we're going to remove you from the car. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Listen to what I'm saying. Just listen. Listen to what I'm saying. Just get out of the vehicle. Get out.
Attitude, rude, people trying to help you, but you are so entitled. This is disgusting.
Out of the vehicle. Grab your window breaker. She's trying to. She put her seatbelt on and she's locking the car. Yep.
And now I believe she drove into that ditch.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Get out of the car.
Shut off the car and get out the car. Get out. Get out. I'm going to break the window.
You gotta threat her.
Get out.
Chance or we're gonna
Last
break the
chance,
window.
I'm going to break the window.
Bet you she'll open it
Last
now.
chance. 3, 2.
Get out.
Get out.
Yeah.
Get out. Get the f*** out.
Get your ass out. Look at that.
Why are you doing this?
Slammed her ass.
I'm not
Well
resisting.
deserved.
Something. You are not.
Put your other hand
do
back.
that.
Put your other hand back.
Oh my god.
There you go.
You're so
You're gonna hurt yourself.
You're
Don't do
so
that.
Look at her.
evil.
With her bitch
I
ass.
didn't do anything. I'm supposed to be in the car.
Don't do that.
I didn't do anything to you. That's why people hate you. You see this right here?
Girl, you got up to that point. And now you down there with the fleas and whatever the hell flying around you.
You're the only good one out of this. So
Looking for a good cop.
Black female 1015.
Shut up.
you're a black.
Here, turn over. Got it?
Your boobs are not out. You'll be alright.
You're disgusting.
Can you like that 500 please?
Somebody pull my shirt up. My nipples are out.
Alright, we'll pull it up.
I'm not gonna be one of these
For real.
females.
Shut
Disgusting
up, I got a shirt for
people.
you.
You're so honey. He's the most racist person alive.
reach over and
Kim Kardashian.
Oh gosh.
Be in this position. Look what the he's doing to me. He's turning me into one of those.
Relax.
He's turning me. I was never like this. No, it's not fair.
There we go.
I told y'all, you know what I'm saying? They're crazy. Not all of them, but a good amount of just straight up just delusional crazy.
You're the only one.
tied, sir.
You power tripper piece of shit.
It ain't no dealing with them. Ain't no conversation with them. Ain't no happy days, happy nights with them. They will ruin a good moment.
I've been called worse. Come on. Walk on your 2 feet.
You feel good?
Walk on your 2
You
feet.
got your ghost?
Watch your
You
2 feet.
disgusting piece of shit.
That's fine. I've been called worse.
You deserve it.
I've been called worse.
You deserve it.
Get in the car.
In the car.
Get in the car.
That's the most power you ever felt. It's your daddy's fault, not me. You power tripping because
Sit
your
back there.
daddy.
Sit back or I'll put you back.
Because that's what you feel like doing. You're taking all your daddy's frustration out.
Who the fuck doesn't feel like doing it? I mean, baby, glad he's not allowed to do that.
You feel powerful with that red and black shit, you piece of shit.
Sit back,
You're
sir.
a piece of shit. Get your hands off me. It's your daddy's fault, not me. You're pissed off at your daddy.
Do not spit in my face.
Pissed off
Do not
at
spit
your
in my
daddy.
face.
You're pissed.
Caught on 4K, clear as day.
Pissed off at your daddy.
Do not sit in my face.
Do not punch me.
But you can spit on his face though.
It's your daddy's fault. Your daddy hated your
Shut up.
Your daddy hated your mom.
She was charged with driving under the influence, resisting
Wow.
an officer without violence, and failure to drive within a single lane. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, y'all heard the man. Subscribe to his channel. Check out his more videos over there. I'm gonna have more of these retarded, stupid videos. People acting a damn fool. Wow, that was. I'm angry. All right, subscribe to Logical Steroids too. Like the video. I got more. I'll be back.